We have some breaking inputs coming in as well. Now we're given to understand that the Congress has suspended local leaders. Alliance was formed by local netas. Congress has taken action against those who took the decision of entering into an alliance with the BJP and Ajit Pawar's NCP. The local netas and the corporators have now been suspended by the Congress party. Action on those netas who allied with the BJP. After Congress netas joined hands with BJP, netas who formed the alliance took this decision have been suspended. That's the input. Let's go across to Rucha. Rucha, these questions have been posed to both Congress and BJP about this alliance between BJP, Congress and the NCP to grab the seat of power. And now we're given to understand that the Congress has suspended those who took the decision.
In fact, both the parties, both Bharatiya Janata Party as well as Congress Party, has suspended their workers or those who were elected, who plan to form such kind of alliance, because in every election we see that Bharatiya Janata Party is always speaking against the Congress Party and vice versa. And this was the first time where we saw such kind of alliance where both the rivals came together to form an alliance that definitely received criticism from all the parties of Maharashtra. And this was about the Ambarnath municipal elections, where the Bharatiya Janata Party won with 14 seats and their president got elected. And after that, it was Congress who had 12 winning seats, and they later formed that alliance. But now the Congress Party has officially taken action on the workers who, without taking any permissions from the senior leaders, went on and formed the alliance. And Harshavardhan Sapkal, who is the state president of Congress Party, in the morning also said that we never planned this alliance, and such kind of alliance cannot happen with Bharatiya Janata Party, and following which the action was taken. Additionally, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, also was questioned about this alliance, and he said that the alliance with Congress or MIM can never happen. And similar kind of orders were also given by Devendra Fadnavis to the local workers who, without taking any permission from their senior leaders, went on and formed this alliance. Now,
absolutely. The BJP could have chosen to go with Shiv Sena, that was the single largest party, and cross the majority mark. But they chose to, the local leaders decided to enter into an alliance with the Congress and the NCP. The big question is,